feed additive plays an important role in modern livestock breeding. ONGOAL provides the production of microbial feed additives with customized automated system, helping customers to realize manufacturing upgrade. According to material package, feeding is done by small bag unpacking station, centralized dust removal through central dust collector. It avoids dust when dust leakage. According to the material characteristics, materials are fed through a suction gun or screw, two multi-components suction and weighing scale for metering. Negative pressure pneumatic conveying. For the next production step, the materials from the 4 storage bins can be transported to the same multi-components suction and weighing scale with no more scales. The liquid is conveyed by diaphragm pump and transfer pump to the weighing scale with weight reduction metering to the high-speed mixer. After the material is mixed, it enters the storage bin. The rotary valve feeding device, the material is evenly fed to the screening process and then finish packing. Centralized dust removal design for the entire production line. Adjustment of airspeed and screening particle size minimizes residual pipe. No manual cleaning of pipes required.